Thank you, Kristen. Well, Western New Yorkers now living along the Florida coast are gearing up for Irma's wrath. News 4's Jen Shant spoke with a man there from West Seneca who's never been through a hurricane before. Jen?
Well, Jackie, he's about to get a rude awakening. Chad Goodwin has only lived in Port Richey, Florida for about 5 months. Port Richey is about 45 minutes outside Tampa on the west coast of Florida. Goodwin says a lot of his neighbors are gearing up for a historic hurricane. Some gas stations around Port Richey ran out of fuel this week. Here's a photo of people waiting in line to buy generators. And take a look at this grocery store in Port Richey. Its shelves are nearly empty as Goodwin says people are stockpiling water, food, and the essentials. He has sandbags and plywood to secure his home if needed. He's chosen to stay put for now until he gets instructions from first responders or the government to do otherwise. He says as devastating as Hurricane Harvey was, people in Florida are taking extra steps to be safe now. He's weathered many blizzards in his day, but this will be a first for him.
I really didn't know what to expect. I started talking to people. I'd say about half are really nervous. If I even wanted to evacuate right now, like I have a lot of friends in Miami, they're driving back to Buffalo. I don't even think I could. The thruway or highway is all backed up. So I'd rather be stranded in a house than stranded on a highway, you know?
Goodwin says people are even guarding the water supply at some nearby gas stations. Governor Rick Scott of Florida warned residents that a storm surge could be deadly. He also encouraged gas stations to stay open as long as possible to accommodate evacuees. Live in the studio, Jen Shantz, News 4 at 6.